today for the Bitcoin price. And believe it or not, but it seems like that a 10,000 US dollar move, let me repeat that, a 10,000 US dollar move for Bitcoin is actually imminent. And we've been waiting for ages. It was getting more boring, and now it seems like that the time has potentially come. Let me talk about my price predictions for Bitcoin, what I think, where the price is going to in the immediate short term. Watch the video until the very end, smash up the like button to a new all-time high, and let's talk about that. And guys, I have a small hint. I opened a new trade, a small one, and I will scale it up as the time is passing here if we are getting the confirmation signals. Let's talk about that. I will go into the charts right now, but thank you guys for all the support. Recently I checked once again, like our likes are getting higher and higher while the market is going sideways. This really shows that you have courage. This really shows that you are part of the smart community, of the smart people which are not shaken out by the market, even though it is very boring sometimes. Let's go into the charts right now, and I want to start here. By the way, look at the beautiful surrounding. I'm here still in Ibiza, and I'm very, very happy and grateful for the amazing time I'm having here right now. And of course, I keep you updated over on Instagram at MMCrypto with the blue verification checkmark if you are interested in more of my content here of the daily life, mindset, and so on. And of course, also trading content. Going into the Bitcoin chart, and actually guys, you already see something is different. We are starting here on the daily candles, and on the bigger time frame, you can see that Bitcoin was having this rounding top and then eventually breaking down. And I was always saying, actually already here, I said my worst case scenario, go back in time where I was talking about this Wyckoff pattern, my worst case scenario is Bitcoin going to 30,000 US dollars. And well, we went to 28,800. So far, this prediction is holding true. So far, this prediction is correct. I remember it was a very hard journey for me to make this prediction because, man, people waiting for 18,000, people waiting for 20,000 US dollars. I always told you, I don't think it's gonna happen. And so far, at least so far, it looks good. So Bitcoin was forming this descending triangle, breaking down, but I was telling you, we are still in the falling wedge, a descending triangle being a bearishly biased pattern, a falling wedge being a bullishly biased. So I told you, guys, wait before we are not breaking 28,800. We shouldn't switch our buys. And as you can see, we got the bounce here, and Bitcoin is right now retesting the downward sloping support. In fact, zooming in, you can see that the support is drawn by the top of the wicks. So I was drawing here with the top of the wicks, neglecting this fake out here. And as you can see, by doing that, we actually already broke out. And now the question is there significant volume behind? And as you can see, the answer is no. So we are getting the breakout, but we are not getting volume. We need more volume to come in. We need a confirmation of the breakout and then a break above the previous rejection point. In this case, the likelihood is very, very high that we are actually going to reach the price target or the top of the wedge of 42,000 US dollars. This being almost a 10,000 US dollar move for Bitcoin. So far, nothing is confirmed. And of course, we have something above us, and this is the daily ribbon, the EMA ribbon on the daily. Since it broke down, we never broke above again, so we are still technically on the daily here in a downtrend. If Bitcoin closes after this breakout, and this is actually the moment where I would put in significantly more into my existing trade above the 50 period moving average, which is the 36,000 US dollar levels. 36,000, the level where I'm saying, hey guys, this is our pound the table confirmation that we are going to 42. I am waiting for this. Unless this is not happening, we always have to at least live with the fact that Bitcoin can get a rejection here, still can get a rejection, and go down maybe for another retest of 31, or maybe the downward sloping support at 28,800. This is what I'm looking at so far. But it seems like right now, finally, potentially, we are getting this breakout. And if we are breaking above the EMA ribbon, I am actually almost certain, 36,000 being the number, that the market is turning around, that we are returning back into bullish territory. Not only because of this crazy discussion of Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey and so on, no, but also because of the charting perspective. Unless this is not happening, stay vigilant, don't go over leveraged, don't go too crazy on your trades. And of course, I wanted to remind you, where do I have it? that in the pinned comment down below, if you go to the very first comment, I have put together $2,510 in free bonuses. What I would be doing right now, of course, I already opened a small position here, as I already announced the potential breakout here on Twitter at MMCrypto, where I was telling you Bitcoin breakout attempt at the daily candle start. Here you can see it. I posted it during the night, and many people were actually celebrating this post. By the way, if you want to get these updates up to date in the exact moment they are getting into my mind, go over to Twitter, also down below in the pinned comment, and follow me at MMCrypto, so you can get all of these updates in absolute real time. But as long as we are not confirming here above 36,000, confirming the breakout also with significant volume, I will not put in more in my trade. But once this happens, guys, I'm gonna put in millions. So go down below, claim the bonus right now, and get ready for your trade. You can only trade the bonus, and this is of course only for experienced traders. If you're not experienced, stay away from trading. Buying and holding is the easiest way to go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the very end, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.